I'm Ryan Cody with the University of Texas El Paso, and I'm on the ArMAP team. And so what ArMAP is, it's a application to allow people to discover and explore the who's doing what, when, and where of U.S.-funded Arctic research. And so this is a very useful tool for NSF. They can see exactly who they're funding, where they're going to be, what they're doing, and it's accessible through the web. So it doesn't need a high skill knowledge of GIS to be able to explore this. It's also very useful for researchers if they want to see what who else is doing maybe similar work in an area, that they can find potential collaborators, or they can look at trends to see what's being funded where, and maybe they can see identify gaps in either temporal, so maybe a type of data hasn't been collected in the area in a while, or spatial gaps that maybe some sort of data they're interested in isn't being collected in an area, so that when they're writing their grant proposal, they can use it to really strengthen their case for why their research will be important.
Cool. And then what are these views, these interesting looking views?
So there's several different views. So the application can have just docs where you just see the research sites funded, and it also provides some ancillary layers such as research logistic hub. So if you're planning your research, you can look and see maybe there's a research logistics base that you'll be able to operate out of, and some other layers such as transportation and medical facilities is in there as well. So you can kind of use it if you're planning your research, because it can give you a better just kind of knowledge of the area and how to plan your actual logistics yourself. Then there's some ways you can show a heat map. So this is a way users can kind of play with the controls, but it shows the density of research funded. So you can see that, like, obviously Alaska is really dense for its amount of research funded, but there's other areas in the Arctic that aren't as dense. And you can filter this by year as well. So you could see this is probably just everything that's been funded in Alaska, but you could filter it to look at what's currently been funded, or what has been funded in particular years.
And then this is ship tracks, right?
And then so then we also produce an animation that shows when projects have been funded per year, and also the scientific cruises that at least have some sort of NSF funding aboard, that they'll show an animation so you can see what was happening per year.
Cool. Okay.
And we have a 3D application as well that shows the symbol is extruded by the number of research sites. So some of the sites like Barrow, you can see has a ton of research, and also Tulik has a ton of research.
Yeah.
And so that's another just way to kind of look at it to see the density of research in certain places.
Awesome. This looks really useful. Thanks so much.